Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna be taking you guys outside in our backyard. So here is our malunggay tree. It thrives during the summer. Look at that. Look guys, I'm giving this to a lot of Filipino friends here. They love harvesting it, you know. Malunggay is Filipino favorite vegetables. And right here we have watermelon, and it's still bearing fruits, although I'm trying to pull this out because I want to replace it with some vegetables that's for fall or for winter. I was about to pull it off the ground, but then I saw this. There's still some fruit, and look, there's another one right there. And guys, look at this one right here. This is called alusiman in Iloilo. Alusiman, and we feed this for, if you have pigs, you just pull this off the ground and throw them to the pigs and they will eat it. We have the kangkong and few kamote right there. We have eggplants, but there's no fruit right now. I don't know what happened to this one, but I think this is Thai eggplant or the white one. I don't know. If you guys been watching my vlog, there's like a big guava tree right here, and then one time my husband turned off the water, and I'm like, damn, my tree is like dead, it's like dying. And I just chop off the branches and it starts growing again. Look at that. And of course we have this potato. This is actually Okinawan potato. It's thriving. A lot of Filipinos, they come here and harvest it. And if you guys are from Iloilo area, we have this, the LUPO. I read so many things about this green stuff right here. They say that it cures cancer. I don't know if it's proven, but I saw so many, or I read a lot on the internet that this one cures cancer. So if it's true, I don't know, but we love this. We use this for omelets or munggo. So that's for today. I've been thinking about making vlog, but I couldn't think of anything. So I'm like, I'll just go to the garden and upload stuff. But it's like that. There's we have a what's that thing called? Sugar cane right there, still growing. And by the way guys, if we chop our trees, we just dump. We have this little place right here. We just dump everything right here, and then it's gonna be fertilizer later. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe. And if you are here from America, I encourage you guys, if you have backyard, it's better to just have a garden, especially for Filipinos like me. We love the kamote, the malunggay, the lupo, and the kangkong. So this is like this. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless us all.